Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie's Hot Stuff. So this is the comparison of all the screens, the screen size of the phone. This is the Note 9. This is the LG Stylo 4, which is the one I have in this video. And this is the iPhone 8 Plus. The one I'm using to record the video right now is the iPhone X, which is, you know, a little bit smaller than all the screen size of these cell phone. So yeah, I'm testing my camera outdoors. This is the LG Stylo 4. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!